How to use credit score repair services properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Credit score repair services can boost your financial health, but most beginners make mistakes that slow progress or waste money. The surprising truth is that small missteps can hurt more than they help. The first mistake is not reviewing your credit report first. Understand your scores, identify errors, and know what needs correction before starting a service. Without this, efforts may be unfocused. Another common error is choosing services that promise quick fixes. Legitimate repair takes time and requires careful documentation. Avoid companies that guarantee instant results. They often charge high fees for minimal impact. Many users fail to dispute errors correctly. Simply reporting mistakes without supporting evidence rarely works. Credit repair services should help gather documentation and submit accurate disputes. A surprising mistake is ignoring your own financial habits. Repair services can help correct errors, but improving payment history, reducing balances, and avoiding new debt are essential to long-term improvement. Finally, beginners sometimes neglect monitoring progress. Regularly checking credit reports ensures errors are corrected and positive changes are reflected. This prevents repeating mistakes and identifies new issues early. To properly use credit score repair services, review your report, choose reputable providers, submit well-documented disputes, improve personal financial habits, and monitor progress. Following these steps ensures your credit score genuinely improves over time.